All right, guys, what I want to talk about is engines. Okay, internal engine problems. This is typical Hemi camshaft. Y'all know the history on these, where the needle bearings inside of the roller bearings will essentially fail. The bearing would collapse, and in most cases, cause this damage. Okay, it's typical known problem. But what I want to discuss is this. This looked like a what? 4.7 V8 engine, 4.7 maybe, or 3.7. No, 3.7 is V6. Y'all see the seat? Look at that. Seat drop. The seat is basically, that seat is not supposed. Now, what caused that, guys? This is an aluminum head, so bear that in mind. It's an aluminum head. Take a look at this, guys. This is a seat, okay? Valve seat. It has come out of the valve. Now, what I want to do, I want to actually, y'all know what? I'm going to get my valve spring compressor because I want to take a hardcore look at this. Let me go see if I can. Let me go see if I can find my valve spring compressor. I want this seat out of here in one piece. I think I have one. I think I have one that'll work on this head. It's like an intake valve. Okay, guys. You know what? If I don't, it's not gonna work. But let's do it like this. I'm gonna set that over here. Let's go to my toolbox. See if I can find my valve spring compressor. I don't know. Maybe over here. May not. One thing you can do is look. Y'all see what I found? Let's go see if this will work, guys. Come on. Oh, hope y'all didn't hear all that foolishness me and my coworkers was talking. I want to get this valve seat out here and see exactly. I may be able to pull it off. Ooh, I can't hold the camera, guys. So what I'm gonna do, set the camera down, get this out. Y'all know how to get a valve seat out. Let's do it like this. Yeah, we're gonna set it like that. Just want y'all to take a look at. All right, hold tight. All right, guys, I got the valve compressed. Now if I can just get these keepers out of here. There go one. See if it come out. Yeah. All right, I'm working with one hand, guys. That's why it's taking me. That's why it's giving me a hard time. Okay, let's get this out of here. Now, take a real good look. Look at this. Just wow. Again, guys, my opinion. I'm entitled to this. Everybody have their own opinion. Is the head got hot, overheated. Wow, guys, y'all see that? This is a valve seat. This valve is designed to set. This connection between the valve face and the valve seat is crucial, very important. But because this fell out, and guys, you're almost talking catastrophic failure when this happened. I think the cylinder head got hot, expanded, retracted, expanded, retracted. This seat, it's not made of aluminum, I don't think. So it eventually will fall out. Now I don't see any bangs on the piston from, any bangs on the valve from a piston, so I wouldn't say the piston hit the valve. But he likely had no compression, misfire, things like that, and loud. Probably would run loud. This is on the intake side, so who knows? But I want to take a nice good picture of this for my thumbnail, guys. All right, I'm done over here, guys. We'll talk some more about engines later. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I got you a nice good explanation on why a valve seat would drop. Now they don't have this problem now. This is a newer style This is a Hemi, actually. It's a Hemi head. The problem used to happen on the Hemis a lot too, but they seem to correct that problem. I'm not sure how. I'm sure Dart Hemi keep up with this stuff. He may know, but this is a whole different problem here, guys. This one I think has a misfire, so he's doing like a little, trying to see if the valve seating is on point. And as you can see, 3 of the cylinders are dry and 1 is wet, which typically mean the one with this liquid in it is not leaking down, but the other 3 are. So you have to make your necessary repairs based off what you find. Sometimes you can survive with a valve job. Sometimes you may need a whole cylinder head because you can't get the seats to clean up. The seats are very important. Typically machine jobs are try to do that. Most of that's not done in-house. We send that out, guys. All right, so if you see that, if you see this, your engine is pretty much gone. From this standpoint, guys, I gotta remind you, I'm talking from a dealer standpoint. We're under different rules than you guys. You guys can take chances and do things like that. We cannot do that here. So anytime you hear me say something controversial like your engine has to be replaced based off such and such, it's only based off the rules I'm under. Okay, and that's all I can go by. All right, I've exhausted this time slide. We'll do another one of these, guys. I promise I won't go a long time without doing another nosy hour. I'm just gonna call this nosy 30. All right, it's 5:30 in the afternoon. Everybody's gone except me. I am the lone loser still in the shop. So, but I am about to wrap it up because I have some things to do. I got to get home and do some more editing. I love what I look, guys. I said this before, I say it again. If you love what you do, you're going to be good at what you do. Okay, naturally you're going to try to make the best of everything that you do. All right, so on that note, I gotta go, man. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.